What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing Berberine Breakthrough from Bioptimizers. This is a berberine formula along with many other blood sugar supporting nutrients and compounds that support your blood sugar regulation as well as your insulin sensitivity. So what's valuable about this product is that insulin is your hormone that regulates your blood sugar response and control of the body. So for example, if you are insulin resistant, this means that your body needs to produce more insulin in order for your body to essentially utilize blood sugar. But if you're insulin sensitive, this means that your body can produce a little bit of insulin and your body utilizes it efficiently and your body has what it needs. So the importance of blood sugar control and regulation and insulin sensitivity, meaning that your body is sensitive to insulin, which is a hormone, is incredibly important because insulin and blood sugar levels are directly correlating to how your body stores basically pounds, right? So that could be fat or that could be muscle, and both are forms of fuel. However, we would much prefer our body to store our sugar in the form of muscle and glycogen in the form of our muscle tissue, as opposed to in our fat tissue, which drains our energy. So our body will burn fat as energy, but it's much better to have that same weight. Say, for example, let's use 10 pounds as an example. It's much better to have 10 more pounds of muscle strapped onto your body as opposed to 10 more pounds of fat, because it's just not going to give you much more energy, whereas the 10 pounds of muscle is mitochondrially dense. Mitochondria produces your ATP, and this is what creates an energy response that allows you to fire up and move and be, conscious in terms of mental brain power energy and also in terms of body power energy in regards to muscle contraction and just movement and things like that. So with that being said, Berberine Breakthrough is a really dynamic formula, and I'm actually very impressed with it because it includes not only berberine, which is in the form of glucovantage bear with me, dihydroberberine. There we go, dihydroberberine. So that's the berberine within the formula, but it also has bitter melon fruit extract, which is beneficial for blood sugar levels, a insulin, which is a blend of Panax, ginseng, and astragalus. It also has gynema leaf extract, banaba leaf extract, ALA, R-alpha lipoic acid, beta-phthiamine, neragerin, I don't even know what, to be honest with you, like what half of these are, but they're definitely beneficial because you can feel the effects. Cythox 30 hyporamylase L fruit, so fruit extract, and that is a 30% proanthocyanin, which is a type of antioxidant. So basically, and then chromium, which is a mineral, 400 mcgs, of chromium, which is really good for blood sugar control, as well as some biotin. So you have your chromium, you have your ginseng, astragalus, dihydroberberine, bitter melon fruit, gynema leaf extract, alpha lipoic acid, and what else? Once again, the Synthotax 30 hyporamylase L fruit extract, which is a 30% proanthocyanin. So it's really just a great blend for blood sugar supporting blood sugar control. There's 4 or 5 ingredients in here. Obviously the berberine is one. Oh yeah, and the cinnamon PF is a cinnamon bark 20-to-1 extract. So the cinnamon, the chromium, the berberine, the bitter melon, there's like 5 different things in here that regulate your blood sugar levels, your insulin sensitivity, but then additionally, there's also things that just help to burn body fat more efficiently, such as the bitter melon, and alpha lipoic acid is helpful as well. So this formula is great. It's in a capsule, and it kind of has this like earthy smell, but also slightly fruity. You can tell it's pungent. It's really good for your liver health. So let me share some of the benefits with you. Blood sugar control is big. Insulin sensitivity, of course. It also helps to balance your cholesterol, your LDL, and your HDL cholesterol. It activates your AMPK enzyme, which is for fat loss, specifically within the abdomen region. It's really good for heart health and blood sugar regulation. It's good for gut health, inflammation, liver health, brain health hormones, immunity. It's compared to actually metformin. It's actually similar to that in regards to regulating your blood sugar levels and blood sugar control. Additionally, it is antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral because berberine does these things within the body. So if you feel like you need some liver support, and also really what I would say is this: if you consume sugar, whether it's fruit sugar or processed sugar, any form of sugar or carbohydrates, if you consume sugar and you feel like your body doesn't process it well, berberine is definitely a supplement, and this is a really great berberine supplement because of not only the berberine, the chromium, the cinnamon, the bitter melon, the alpha-lipoic acid, all these things that support liver health, blood sugar control, insulin sensitivity. This is a great supplement to be on. Sugar is something that affects all of us in different ways. Some of us are really great. Our sugar metabolism, our glucose metabolism is very efficient, while others, even with fruit, we may have a little bit more challenge in regards to processing and metabolizing that sugar properly and to utilize it as energy and to keep our insulin sensitivity levels healthier. So if you are pre-diabetic or have diabetes in your family, or like me, to be honest, I was raised on a lot of carbohydrates, cereal for breakfast, and chips for lunch, and candy and ice cream and all this junk food, soda, stuff like that. It's good to get on Berberine Breakthrough because this is something that will help your body, will support your body in regulating your blood sugar levels and regulating your insulin levels as a whole. So this is a great formula. Check it out at Bioptimizers below. I'll link it up below with a discount code. And if you want to get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands, I am a health and wellness coach and I vet different health and wellness brands. So you can subscribe to the channel here, but you can also visit healthywildfree.com/shop below. And that will give you more than 20, almost 30 different health and wellness brands with discount codes. I'm talking 10, 15% off, so in some cases $50 off, in some cases free shipping, and anything from superfoods to supplements, barefoot minimalist shoes, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, and so much more. Things that track your metabolism, your sleep, and regulate your health in many different ways. So check out those brands below. I'm sure you'll discover something awesome. Oh, and also I highly recommend checking out the shower filters and different water filtration and air filtration products as well. Those are important for the health of your home. So check that link out below and subscribe for future videos, and check out Berberine Breakthrough in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.